Canceling a Footlocker order online is very easy to do. Today I'm gonna show you how to do it. Go to the official Footlocker website. You can find this just by searching Footlocker. Log in to your Footlocker account using the credentials you used when placing the order. Look for an order history or a similar section in your account dashboard. Locate the specific order you want to cancel in your order history. Verify the status of the order. If it's still in the processing stage or hasn't been shipped yet, you may have the option to cancel. If cancellation is allowed, there should be an option to cancel the order. Click on the appropriate button or link to initiate the cancellation process. Follow any on-screen instructions to complete the cancellation. Some websites may require you to provide a reason for canceling. After canceling, check your email or the website for a cancellation confirmation. This ensures that the cancellation request was successful.